What's up, guys? You may know, as one of my Catherine videos, I had these ones, and I was gonna shoot them, but that'll be next episode. Now this, so I'm chewing gum. Wait on the house, out of breath. So for Christmas, I got these round caps, and I didn't have a gun, and I went to Dollarama for more caps, and I saw this, so I bought it. So I have some for the caps. So today I will be showing you what it's like shooting this bad boy. Watch it. Reload, it's kind of hard. Yes, guys, as you can see, it's a pretty cool gun. What I get? I already told you, because I had round caps. Oh my god, that was actually pretty cool. I'll tell you the story again. I had round caps, so I went to Dollarama about some. I thought this would work, but yep, it does. Ah, god, that hurt. Oh my. I'll show you one more shot, and then head back in. Watch this. Last shot. See you soon. Bye.